What's the meaning of condemned cell? Condemned cell. Condemned cell.
Condemned cell. Condemned cell. A condemned cell typically refers to a prison cell that is reserved for prisoners who have been sentenced to death and are awaiting execution. The conditions of these cells can vary, but they are typically small, sparse, and bleak. The walls may be bare or adorned with grim reminders of their fate. In some cases, the cells are isolated from the rest of the prison population. Ultimately, the result of being confined to a condemned cell is that the prisoner will face imminent execution, which can be a psychologically and emotionally grueling experience.